p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chesapeake Beach to Flag Harbor to Patuxent River Naval Air Station, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Taylor's Island around 6:45 p.m. University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies around 6:55 p.m. Cambridge around 7 p.m. Hurley, Secretary, and Vienna around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Madison, Taylor's Island, Wilford, Andrews, Hudson, East New Market, Church Creek, Bucktown, Wingate, and Lakewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Dorchester, Maryland,